Now I have two choices. I can either go by the version of C# and keep comparing this long array, or I can temporarily introduce a variable as early as here, integer version variable, it should be double rather, double version variable, and store the version of C# in that variable so that I don't have to write this hefty syntax wherever I need it. Once I do this, I can then use this version variable anywhere I need the C# indexing. So I just introduced this new line, I stored the value from the array into this variable, and now I am using that variable instead of the array. Now I'm going to introduce my if conditions to display which versions there was an ISO and which versions it did not have an ISO. So if version variable equals to 1.0 or version variable equals to 1.1 or version variable equals to 1.2, console.writeLine ISO specifications available. Else, no ISO specifications available. Now I'm writing a shorter version of this code. Then I'm going to use the same code with switch case, and I'm going to write the full-blown version. As you can see already that I had to write ver variable 3 times with OR. And if I had to write it for all 5-6 versions of C#, I would have to repeat myself 6 times, the same stuff. So with switch case, I'll be able to do the same program much shorter, but I want to introduce to you both. So a few things to notice here. In VB, you spell out OR. In C#, you write the pipe operators. Where are the pipe operators available? Right above the enter key. Right above the enter key. Shift, backslash, twice. Okay? The other thing to notice over here is that unlike VB, for comparison, C# uses 2 equals versus a single equals. So version variable equal 1.0. Those are 2 main differences. Third difference. The if conditions I is lowercase, else E is lowercase. Fourth, you do not have an end if. Fifth, since there is only one statement associated with an if or an else, curly braces are optional. Now when I run this, for all versions other than 1.0, 1.2, 1.1, it will say no ISO specifications. Otherwise, it will say ISO specifications available.